Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to go over a multiplication strategy. This is a review from earlier in the year, but I think it'll be helpful as we continue on with our e-learning. On my whiteboard, I just showed you three problems. Our first problem that we are going to focus in on is 5 times 4. Hopefully at this point in the year, you can immediately think of the answer to 5 times 4. It is 20. I'm writing this on my board now. Our next problem on my whiteboard is 5 times 40. And so I'm going to use 5 times 4 as my helper fact, and I'm going to think 5 times 4 is 20. And I'm actually going to write that down on my next line. So 5 times 4 is 20. And then I'm going to think about that extra 0 after the 4 in 40. And so immediately in this problem, I see 5 times 4, or 5 times 40, and I have 20. And then I'm going to add a 0 to the end because we have 1 0 after the 4. So 5 times 40 equals 200. I'm going to show it again with a third multiplication problem to see if you can remember this concept. 5 times 400. So again, I think 5 times 4, which is 20. I notice after my 4, I have 2 zeros in 400. And so I'm going to add 2 more zeros to the end of 20. So 5 times 400 equals 2,000. So again, I took my original problem, 5 times 4, and I found out the product was 20. From there, I look at the amount of zeros after that original problem to help me with the more complicated multiplication problems. I hope that was helpful for you today, and I hope this was a good review from earlier in the school year. Thanks, boys and girls, for listening.